So this question came from a veteran. His name is Tony. And Tony writes to me. He says, I applied for a VA home loan recently and I was denied through Veterans United. I was looking online and I came across your video. Could you please give me some advice? Well, Tony, Veterans United is more, I would call them more of a technology company than anything else. This is one of those call center companies. They have really good technology. They have a pretty website, but they mostly just hire a call center, and they have pretty inexperienced people for the most part, very inexperienced people sitting on the other side, answering phone calls, collecting leads that come in off of their website. This is not the first time I've had questions from folks that were declined or denied through Veterans United, and I would say don't take no for an answer. I would 100% talk to an experienced VA lender that has years and years of experience. Verify that, especially someone that has experience with manual underwriting. Because what happens with a lot of these, I call these big box lenders, they don't. They don't typically do the hard stuff. They'll only do the very, very easy stuff that just comes in and they can get a very simple approval. And again, because they're not hiring super experienced VA loan officers, what happens a lot of times is input equals output. If they're not putting the right information in, if they're not reading the information right, sometimes they can't tell if something's going to cause a problem or not. Luckily, you were declined early enough that you can go shopping around, talk to somebody with a lot more experience, get a second opinion, see if manual underwrite is an opportunity, and maybe even see if it was structured right when they tried to run it the first time. But the very fact that you were denied by the lender that you were denied by, I would not be super concerned. I have seen more often than not that folks that are declined by that lender are able to go to somebody with a lot more experience and get the loan done. So again, I don't know any more of your story, and I don't know why it was declined, but I can tell you just on its surface, the lender that you talked to is probably not the best lender for somebody that needs maybe a little bit extra help or manual underwriting, or a more experienced loan officer to help them guide them through this process. So Tony, I hope you're not discouraged. I hope you talk to somebody who has a lot more experience to get a second opinion. And even if the answer is no right now, an experienced loan officer is going to help give you advice, put you in a position to put you on the path so that you can qualify hopefully in the near future. So I hope this helps. Thank you for your question and thank you for your service, and good luck. I really hope that this ends up working out for you.